Advocate Mpofu has also reacted on the news that the former president Thabo Mbeki is now campaigning for the African National Congress, the very ANC he said it's led by criminals. Advocate Mpofu took it to his X app and tweeted, "Urgent warning to the shoppers of Jabulani Mall. Apparently, there is a man going around that mall giving leaflets and asking people to vote for people he recently described as criminals, liars, amasela, Imigodoy. Don't buy into his news story. Hashtag kick them out." He also posted a video of Mbeki and captioned it, "President Thabo Mbeki, how can I campaign for the ANC and ask people to vote for a criminal? You can't." Independent panel of Chief Justice Ngobo, Ramaphosa's conduct of Apalapala is a prima facie criminal in terms of Section 34 of PRICA. President Mbeki. Heavyweights on the ground as former President Thabo Mbeki is expected to lead the African National Congress ANC's campaign trial in Soweto, Gauteng ahead of the 2024 national and provincial elections. Former ANC Deputy President Kgalema Motlanthe will also be seen in the campaign trials. This as the ruling party is beefing and ramping up its campaign before the elections. Rolling out party veterans is part of the ANC strategy to remain in power. The ANC said this is aimed at encouraging citizens to vote for the ANC and galvanizing the various communities leading up to the polls. The elections will be held on May 29, 2024. The African National Congress has been on a strong campaign trial since last year in preparation for the polls. During the trials, the party has promised citizens a better life for all, jobs, businesses, water, as well as electricity. This is despite Mbeki being non-committal about whether he would campaign for the governing party or not, but eventually agreed that he would campaign as he was obliged to do so. Last year, while delivering the eulogy at a memorial service for his friend and former Foreign Affairs Minister Aziz Pahad, hosted by the ANC at the University of Johannesburg, Thabo Mbeki took a swipe at President Cyril Ramaphosa and the ANC, saying the renewal project has been all talk and no action or plan. Mbeki said that the party's resolution to renew itself was taken at its 2017 elective conference and again at its 2022 conference, but nothing has been done. Furthermore, the ANC has expressed confidence that it will retain power and continue to govern the country.